To boost your overall immunity and to grow hair thicker, longer, and have clearer skin, we're going to make this immunity boost cubes. For that, we need amla, which is Indian gooseberry, and then we need turmeric. This is fresh turmeric, fresh ginger. I have some mint leaves, and to better absorb the turmeric, we need some black pepper. If you have fresh ones, it's better, but I have frozen ones, so let's see. So these are the, so I'm going to take about 3. Fresh turmeric or haldi, it has a very strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and ginger has gingerol, which is a main active compound, has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. It helps with digestion and can mildly boost immune defense. And amla is rich in vitamin C, and it's powerful antioxidant, helping reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. And mint, which offers menthol, which is cooling, antimicrobial, and great for respiratory relief. It can soothe the gut and help clear mild congestion. So we are now ready to blend all this. And this whole blend mildly detoxifies, supports immunity, and improves digestion and circulation. I'm using this water, but you can use any normal water. And it's nicely blended into a puree. Now I'm going to freeze them and pour it into a ice cube tray, or here I have some chocolate mold, so I'm just going to use this because this is a perfect size. It's about 2 teaspoons in each cube. So I'm going to put this into a freezer. So it's nicely frozen now, and I'm going to show you. This is the cube looks like. You can put it into Ziploc and then use it daily. It looks super cute. So I'm going to show you how to take this daily. So take 1 cube and pour lukewarm water, and take first thing in the morning. Don't use hot water, otherwise it will ruin all the nutrients. So just lukewarm water, let this melt, and just take this empty stomach first thing in the morning. Daily consumption can help improve your immunity. Also your hair, nail, skin will also improve. It will improve the digestion if you are having problem with your digestion, and overall it is a very effective for immunity boosting. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box below, and I'll see you guys next time with another recipe. Till then, stay healthy.